Located on a hill to the south of Florence, the Certosa di Galluzzo is an extraordinarily well-preserved 14th century Carthusian monastery. And in fact, the structure still today stands in this idyllic place surrounded by olive groves and vineyards in some of the most beautiful landscape in all of the world. Within the historic walls of the Certosa, you can find a beautiful Mannerist-style church dedicated to San Lorenzo, a Renaissance cloister complete with well and glazed terracotta sculptures by the Della Robbia. You can find monks' cells overlooking that cloister, and still today many of them are furnished and accessible to the general public. And the piece de résistance here at the Certosa is the series of detached frescoes by the great Mannerist painter Jacopo Pontormo. So if you want a taste of what life was like in a medieval monastery, no better place than the Certosa of Florence. And don't forget to like this video and to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Rocky's Italy, so that you don't miss out on any of the great content that we're publishing weekly and filming here directly in Italy.